Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.6110 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.5871-1.6452. The earlier day close, 1.6054. The change was plus 0.0056, plus 0.35%. Opposite rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 1.62 rands, high 1.73, low 1.51. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost 1.67 rands, high 1.79, low 1.55. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. In multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84, low 1.60. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 1.78 rands, high 1.90, low 1.66. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost 1.77 rands, high 1.89, low 1.65. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83, low 1.59. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost 1.58 rands, high 1.69, low 1.47. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.77 rands, high 1.89, low 1.65. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 1.77 rands, high 1.89, low 1.65. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 1.81 rands, high 1.94, low 1.68. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 1.88 rands, high 2.01, low 1.75. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.87 rands, high 2.00, low 1.74. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.55. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.58. Change for April 15.3%. Dogecoin figure for May 2023. To start with cost at 1.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.01, while low cost 1.42. They found the middle value of cost 1.64. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.55. Change for May 1.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 1.55 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.55, while low cost 1.34. They found the middle value of cost 1.47. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.44. Change for June 7.1%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2023. To start with cost at 1.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.44, while low cost 1.20. They found the middle value of cost 1.34. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.29. Change for July 10.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 1.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.61, while low cost 1.29. They found the middle value of cost 1.42. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.50. Change for August 16.3%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 1.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.50, while low cost 1.17. The found the middle value of cost 1.36. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.26. Change for September 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.26, while low cost 0.99. The found the middle value of cost 1.14. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.06. Change for October 15.9%. Dogecoin gauge for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.06 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.32, while low cost 1.06. They found the middle value of cost 1.17. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.23. Change for November 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at 1.23 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.40, while low cost 1.22. They found the middle value of cost 1.29. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.31. Change for December 6.5%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1.31 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.31, while low cost 1.13. They found the middle value of cost 1.24. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.22. Change for January 6.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1.22 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.37, while low cost 1.19. They found the middle value of cost 1.27. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.28. Change for February 4.9%. Dogecoin estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1.28 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.28, while low cost 1.00. They found the middle value of cost 1.16. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.08. Change for spring 15.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at 1.08 rands. Excessive cost 1.08, while low cost 0.85. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.98. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.91. Change for April 15.7%. ZAR to Doge conversion standard equivalent to 0.6207 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6078 minus 0.6301. The earlier days nearby 0.6229. Change for now 0.0022, 0.35%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future in month. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost 0.617 coins, high 0.662, low 0.578. ZAR to Doge expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.621 coins, high 0.667, low 0.581. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.592 coins, high 0.637, low 0.552.